Nuova Simonelli Aurelia semi-automatic 3 group $13,500. Nuova Simonelli Aurelia semi-automatic 3 group machine, the official espresso instrument of the World Barista Championships. This machine has a specially controlled brew boiler that measures temperature accurately. It has a boiler capacity of 17 liters and has sturdy leather handles attached to Teflon-lined portafilters. Concordia Integra for $14,950.
We about to turn it on.
Concordia Integra 4 machine. This machine is something like a digital barista and is favored by hotels seeing high volume. It can be used to make hot chocolate, latte, espresso, iced beverages, cappuccino, and steeped and blended teas. Blossom 1 Limited $11,111. Blossom 1 Limited machine. This machine has inbuilt Wi-Fi to help baristas download and share recipes. Also, it has a 1.3 MP camera to scan the QR codes of coffee beans. It hosts individual modules to control temperature, volume, pressure, and time. Its body can be made of 2 materials combined: stainless steel and wood. Bunn Tiger XL 5.2 Super Automatic Espresso Machine $12,000. Bunn Tiger XL 5.2 machine. This impressive coffee machine can brew up to 180 drinks every hour and has 2 hoppers that can hold almost 4 pounds of coffee beans. Surprisingly, it only takes 16 inches of counter space. Other cool features are pod capabilities, a digital wand to steam and monitor milk temperature simultaneously, and a modular brewing chamber.
There ain't no no stopping us. Fly without.
Clover $11,000 US.
Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar.
Clover coffee machines made by 3 Stanford graduates. Clover is for serious coffee drinkers. This machine can be found at cafes such as Stumptown Annex in Portland. Clover makes coffee using a process similar to the French press. Hot water enters a brew chamber, a filter is dipped in, and perfect coffee is made, while the grounds rise to the top of the chamber.
I'm moving too far. Get to glass. You're looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people.